it's your girl Kim, back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys an update about this wig that I purchased from Isee Hair. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I asked. If you like the content that I post, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for post notifications, and if you like the video, just like the video. Also, comment down below. You guys know I love engaging with you guys in the comment section, and if you're here watching my videos, watching my content, please support me, help me grow my channel by subscribing. But this is just going to be a really short, quick video. If you guys are wondering what's going on with the background, what's going on with the makeup, the lighting, filming from my phone at my parents' house, there's been storms all over the East Coast, which is the reason why I didn't upload yesterday, as yesterday was my regular uploaded scheduled day, which is Thursday. But your girl has no power, so let's just get right into it. So that's why I didn't get a video out to you guys yesterday, and I'm just going to be giving you a quick update about this wig. As you guys can probably tell if you see me, if you follow me on Instagram, even on YouTube, I do like get ready with me videos, and I just haven't been wearing this wig. I love the curl pattern. It is very beautiful curl pattern. It's soft. It styles really nice. It wears well, like for the one time that I wore it. Keep that in mind. I have not been wearing it, and if you guys, I believe I did a 1 week update. I'm not sure if I did. I'm going to leave that down below, but I'm also going to leave the unboxing down below and maybe the styling video. I can't remember how many videos I've done because I haven't been wearing this wig because this lace is like sandpaper. It is not the lace for me. Just going to put that out there. I do want to give it away. As you guys have probably heard me mention, if you follow me on YouTube, on Instagram, I've been giving a decent amount of my wigs away to like friends and family just because I don't think it's worthy to do a giveaway on my channel. But if you guys want me to do a giveaway for this wig on my channel, just comment down below. If I get enough comments, I'll do a giveaway. Just make sure you tag your Instagram in my YouTube and tag your YouTube on my Instagram. So on my latest post, doesn't have to be like a post about this. Well, maybe I'll put a post about this wig and just title it like giveaway. But yeah, the lace, like I remember when I wore the lace, it was just really uncomfortable. Like it was itchy. So I attached this, made it glueless, haven't put it back on my head since. As you guys recall, I have been trying out a lot of these AliExpress type hair companies, and I've really been impressed. Like, I'll be honest with you guys, like, you guys hear me mention, like, you know, I'm not gonna, and it's still the case, I'm not gonna go out with some of this AliExpress type hair. So it's just not the hair for me when I go out. Day to day, not a problem. But this lace, like I said to you guys, is just, it really isn't the lace for me. I just can't do it. I'm not gonna wear it. No issues with the hair, but if they update the lace, I'm willing to try another wig. And speaking of trying another wig, going forward when I'm trying out these hair companies, you guys know I love a body wave, and I try to stay away from that, like getting this curls. I'm like, you know, try something different. You guys are probably getting tired of seeing me in the same curl pattern. However, in an effort to be fair and give everyone the same chance, I'm just gonna get body wave. This way I'm kind of like comparing like apples to apples rather than like an apple to an orange, if you know what I mean. Like it's the exact same texture this way. It's an easier comparison pretty much. But yeah, I'll do a giveaway for this if you guys want me to, if you comment down below. If not, I'm gonna figure out if one of my friends or family wants it. But that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.